Now, Malaysian small and medium enterprises need to move beyond their comfort zone and strengthen financial planning to attract better investment and scale up. According to Spartan Ives, a venture capital management corporation registered with the Securities Commission Malaysia, many SMEs remain reluctant to expand due to concerns over cash flow, collection issues, and global market uncertainties.
In an exclusive interview with Bernama TV, Spartan Ives Advisory Director and co-founder Vic Chua said a large number of SMEs prefer to rely on their existing client base with good credit terms and only begin reassessing their strategy when sales start to decline.
Besides that, also they didn't foresee if, let's say, the client is facing the market challenges due to environment, especially like now, all of a sudden there's a trade war and also some war, then thereafter it affects the purchase order from the client side. Then at that moment only they will feel that, oh, I think I have a sales drop soon by this year, so what should I do next?
He said some businesses lack a standby fund mentality, often seeking financial assistance only when facing a cash flow crunch. The COVID-19 period, he said, exposed this weakness, with many businesses turning to short-term financing rather than undertaking longer-term cash flow planning. Meanwhile, from an investor standpoint, Spartan Ives Capital Director and co-founder Christopher Wong said access to funding becomes more difficult when a company is already in a downward trend.
If we can see there's a downtrend to it, other investors will be able to see, the banks will be able to see it as well. So then it comes to a question of whether to invest in you or not. It then comes to a problem where how well can you recover from this downturn? So we always advise that, look, when your company is doing good and you intend or expect to grow or expand further, get the funding earlier.
He also noted that profitability alone is no longer sufficient to attract venture capital, as investors are placing greater emphasis on the scalability of the company's products or services. He said companies led by founders and management teams with strong and relevant experience tend to score higher with investors, particularly if their offerings can be replicated beyond Malaysia. The firm said that founders should also be more realistic in valuing their companies, noting that a persistent gap between founder expectations and investor assessments remains one of the biggest hurdles in securing investment.